Faith without works is what?
Dead. Impossible.
No, it's dead. So you got to do both. You got to have faith in the Lord, and you got to keep His commandments.
No, I'm just saying.
You're saying you already know, but when we ask you what you got to do, you said some more other stuff.
I'm not here.
You ain't saved about keeping the commandments.
I'm not here to judge anybody or how they live their life. Okay, I'm right before
Malachi,
14, 12, and 13. So
chapter 2, verse 7. For the priest live.
No, the Christ the word.
Should be kept in knowledge.
No, the Lord don't love everybody.
And they
He doesn't hate anybody. You don't have love.
The Lord doesn't hate anybody.
First John 4:19. You love Him because He first loved us. You gotta have love.
Let's see but what is love?
What is love? Everyone that loves us.
What is love? But you don't know what love is.
Zechariah 8 and 16. These are the things that ye shall do.
Love is keeping the commandments.
Teach ye every man
to his neighbor.
the truth to his neighbor.
Ecclesiasticus chapter 12, verse 6. For the Most High hateth sinners, and will repay judgment unto the ungodly, keepeth them away in the mighty day of their punishment. So he said the Lord love everybody, but the scripture don't say that. The Most High don't love sinners. Anyways, we got off track with the brother. You ready to speak, brother? All right. Let me get off camera.
Proverbs chapter 28, verse 1. The wicked flee when no man pursue it.
What?
The wicked flee when no man pursue it.
That's bad, right?
But the righteous are bold as a lion.
The righteous are bold as a lion, man. That's why we out here. We fear no man. And any pastor, everybody call your pastor and tell them we're going to be here next Sunday. Tell them bring it. Because the Most High said contend for the truth, man. So that's what we out here doing. If we know that pastor is lying to you, we love you, so we're going to tell that pastor that he's lying. He's going to have to go up in his church and tell that truth. What you want, brother?
No, okay, yeah, give me 1 Corinthians 7:29.
Keep the commandments of the Lord.
Come on, break down no better than that.
You gotta come out here, brother.
Come on, I'm already ready. You don't want me to come out there?
Yes, I do.
All right.
Yep.
But the thing is that you broke it down for him already. Just keep the commandments.
That's the word. You said
how you gonna break it down?
He said he don't want to hear that. Whatever, man. What you wanted me to get? 1 Corinthians?
Yeah, 1 Corinthians 7:29. Go ahead. 5. Then you're going to get 1 Thessalonians 5, 1 through 3, and then you're going to do 6 through 7. Okay.
1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 1. But of the time and the season, brethren, ye have no need that I write unto you.
Right, see, so ain't no need to be telling you that what's about to happen. Y'all done seen Steven Spielberg movie? Y'all done seen Independence Day? So this ain't nothing new to you. This ain't nothing new to you. I'll put it up. This ain't nothing new to you. This ain't nothing new. Paul ain't said nothing new. That's a double image. That's a double image, man. That's a double image.
Well, we the Hebrew Israelites. So we are here to wake up our people who consist of these people on this sign, and also of the Gentiles who believe and are willing to drop their wicked ways and follow the commandments of the Lord. Our main focus is keeping the commandments of the Lord and following Christ. Well, not necessarily. You have to know him. You have to know the commandments. You have to know him. But then Paul say, hold up, didn't Paul say, I have not known sin but by the law?
The law still applies today?
Yes. Yes, the new covenant. Hebrews chapter 8. Somebody get that.
But Jesus got that, though. So if you wrapped up in Jesus, you got the law wrapped up together. What did Jesus say about the law? The law is filled up in what?
He said he come not to destroy the law,
But to do what?
fulfill it.
Exactly.
So we follow. So by us following, we got to do what Christ did.
All right, so you say,
Christ kept the law.
you say,
Yeah, not in that aspect.
okay, so I can tell y'all coming from a different aspect. Trust me.
All right. So Matthew chapter 5 verse 17. This is the words of Christ. Think not that I am come to destroy the law or the prophets. I am not come to destroy but fulfill. Now listen to this. For verily, till heaven and earth pass, heaven and earth is still here, right? One jot or one tittle in no wise pass from the law till all be fulfilled. So we still got to keep the law to the best of our ability.
So what's your best example for Christ right now?
Best
Your own
example-
life, right? Your own life is your best example to show people
Right.
the way to go. Thank
Right.
you. Just keep it that way. You'll be all right.
What you mean? Hold on.
But that's emptiness.
You
though.
ain't
But
bringing
that's
nothing.
emptiness.
You ain't bringing nothing.
No, hold on.
I'm
What
saying
you
that's
just
just
said?
the,
No,
I'm
what
just
you
saying
said?
that's just a solid foundation right there.
No,
Is
no,
that
what you
your
said?
life towards the other people will lead them in the right way, right or wrong. By the way you live, the things you do.
Okay,
the
now,
way
how you?
live.
Okay, then. So, as a human being, how should you live in this world?
What you mean as a human being?
As a being, what does the Lord require of
This
you?
is
What? No.
Yeah,
See,
I
see,
think
as
y'all got a
not,
different religion going on.
no,
here.
it's not a religion because
In the
this is your
1400s,
heritage. Is
they
who you
painted-
are.
they
How did
painted
you
this
find
man
it?
up.
This
Show
is
me
not
how
no
to get there.
research and study.
Show me how to get to this.
Research and study.
No, show me how to get to this.
They told you that we came from Negroid, right?
No, forget about that.
You
Just show me
understand?
which way to go
But
now.
now,
Just show me which way to get where I need to go here.
Okay, Ecclesiastes.
Show me where I gotta go at to get to God here.
Ecclesiastes 12 and 13.
You know the name of the first place?
That's the Judah.
Yeah. Could you tell me which way I gotta go
do you know
to
what
get to Christ?
Jesus means? Do you know what Jesus means? No, you
Oh,
find
these
out
dudes on something else.
No, we getting you the scriptures, man.
Dude, give you the scriptures, man.
Hey, yeah, by the way, man. Read that. Read the wicked people, no man. Read it loud.
Yeah, Jesus is the guy from the land where Proverbs 28 and 1. The wicked flee when no man pursue it.
Read it again.
The wicked flee when no man pursue it. But the righteous are bold as a lion.
But the righteous are what?
The righteous are bold as a lion.
They're gonna represent every weekend. No, but we're right now. We're not. Yeah, we're gonna come out here, man. You need to come out here, man. You need to get in here, man. You got some knowledge. You need to come out. What, you a Muslim? You a Christian? You don't believe in God? Universal? So you Catholic then? The word Catholic means universal. Anyways, man, let's go back to the word. That dude just came up. Yeah.
Just want to say that, I mean, a couple people came up, but they can't what? They can't contend with us. They can't contend with the knowledge that the Bible speaks of.
Right,
They
coming,
left.
yeah, they coming with,
No scriptures.
yeah, they coming
Nothing.
with philosophy, man. Coming with straight up philosophy. So that's just what it is, man. We're gonna keep coming out this Bible. We already know that people gonna be against us, and they're gonna try to judge us. But at the end of the day, they're not out here teaching their people. You know what I mean? They going up in that church and just believing whatever that pastor telling them, putting the money in that plate, and they have no knowledge of the scriptures. As soon as you bring scriptures at them, what? They run. Because they're not used to that. They used to hearing the good word. Oh, yeah, brother, you saved. Oh, brother, yeah, Christ love you. Yeah. Instead of showing them, they just want you to tell them what they want to hear. With that, speak up to a smooth thing. Yeah, go ahead, brother.
First Thessalonians 5 and 1. But of the time and the season, brethren, ye have no need that I write unto you.
See, right. Ain't no need to keep going on about what's going to happen. How this world going to end and how it's going to come to.
John 2:19.
No, John 2:15, yes.
John 2:15. And when he had made a scourge of small cords, he drove them all out of the temple. First John 2:15. Love not the world, neither the things that are in the world. If any man love the world, the love of the Father is not in him.
Right. See, so if you love the world, the love of the Father is not in you, because the world is against the commandments of the Lord. You need to know and understand that, and it's time to wake up. Destruction is headed. So y'all already seen Independence Day. Y'all already seen Deep Impact, Armageddon. Know that these things will take place, and it's going to take place. See, so this ain't no new thing that we need to write to you or we bring to you out here, because y'all already heard in the pagan churches that the world coming to an end. Yeah. But you got to keep these commandments. That's what it is.
Isaiah, 1 Corinthians chapter 7, verse 29. But this I say, brethren, the time is short.
Right. See, the time is short, man. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up out your sleep and look around you and see what's going on. Like how the brethren said, this whole kingdom is falling down. It's that time, man. It's that time knowing that what's going on in the news today, that Barack Obama health care bill passed 4-5 votes in the Supreme Court. So what that means is that Obama health care law is into effect. So that's against the Constitution, because now you have to put your kids on insurance, Medicaid bankrupt, Total Care bankrupt, Santa Cruz about to be bankrupt in a few years. It's that time to wake up. Go ahead.
Isaiah chapter 56, verse 10. His watchmen are blind. They are all ignorant. They are dumb dogs.
See, right, y'all spiritual leaders ain't telling y'all what's finna go happen. Only thing he's telling y'all is believe and have faith and worship for Jesus. But yet, which Jesus is you worship? You know, see, they're blind to the truth. The church, the pastor is not, his job is not to tell you the truth. The pastor's job is to keep y'all blinded by giving y'all watered down doctrine. Talking about that because you have grace, you can't keep the commandments. Oh, the Old Testament done away with. But when it comes time for money, y'all go back to the Old Testament. When things happen in your life, y'all go to the book of Psalms. The book of Psalms is in the Old Testament. You can't pick and choose. Go ahead.
His watchmen are blind. They are all ignorant. They are dumb dogs. They cannot bark, sleeping, laying down, loving to slumber. Yea, they are greedy dogs, which can never have enough.
Right. They can't never get enough of your money. How many times the collection plate go around into the church? See, you got Sunday school basket, right? After Sunday school, you got the adult class Sunday school too, right? That's tied together. Then you got the morning worship time, right? Then in the afternoon, after the choir got to finish singing, actually after your pastor got through, up there,